this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you the newest delicate gold-filled and sterling silver jewelry elements. Now these are so perfect for that little teensy tiny delicate jewelry, and they're also great to utilize with the adjustable slider clasps. So let's actually start there. So I made this bracelet featuring this lovely sort of curved infinity, and this is a beautiful little sterling silver focal. And I have my sterling silver chain here, but what is really neat is this little clasp here is actually a little slider. So I can hold that and slide my chain through to wear it, and just sort of slide it to adjust that right size for me. Now the piece that's new here is this little teensy tiny little ball here at the end. Just something nice to sort of finish off this little bracelet with. So we do offer these, and again, like I said, they are sterling silver and gold filled. So this one here on my bracelet is the 3mm, but you can also see that we have 4mm and 5mm. So you don't have to use these with this application, but they are wonderful for that. And if you wanted to sort of match a certain size or a scale, we have 3 different options for you to do that. And these are wonderful. They have a nice little, actually I'll show you here on the largest one. They have a nice little soldered ring at the top. So you just add a little jump ring and you're good to go. All right, so the next piece that we have here, we have these lovely little discs. Now, I only have the gold filled out here on my table, but we do offer these in sterling silver as well. I just wanted to bring the gold out because I think they would just show up really nice for you today. So we have a few different sizes. Starting over here, we have 4mm, we have 6, 7, 9, and 11. Now 11's that biggest size, but I just kind of wanted to show you how it looked on a finished chain. So if I can just sort of hold that up for you, you can see even just against my hand there how delicate this still really is. Now this is my personal taste. I do like something a little bit larger, even on the delicate side. I just think it makes a really lovely little statement and you get that nice flash of gold as you wear it. But if you wanted to go for something a little bit more delicate, you can choose something down here. Now this is the 6mm, so you can just kind of see how much more delicate that is in my hand. So you can also, as a suggestion, oops, layer them as well. So you can create some really beautiful layered delicate jewelry just by using these very simple little discs. Now I'm just using some jump rings and some finished chain here, but be sure to sort of experiment with all the ways that you can use these and don't get them tangled. All right, so that is just a little sort of extra pieces that we've brought in for you to utilize with your delicate jewelry. Now, one of the fun things is these can sort of be little enders to a necklace. They can end a little earring. I love the balls. You can just sort of add those to the end of a gemstone chain as a nice little finisher. So that's also something to consider as well. So be sure to check beadaholique.com for more tutorials and videos, and I hope you enjoyed this, so be sure to hit the subscribe button below if you did. And of course, you can find all of these at beadaholique.com.